top 5 altcoins to buy in March. Welcome back, guys. It's Cryptorocko from Rocko trading channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 coins to buy in March. So I'll be doing my analysis on Bitcoin, guys, to understand what's going to be the impact of Bitcoin on the whole altcoin market. As you guys know, Bitcoin is king. Whatever Bitcoin do, altcoins have an effect. So I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, what my strategy is, where I think Bitcoin is heading next, and then, guys, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 coins. Like last month was amazing. If you watch my video on February the 6th, I'll review some of these trades. So this is not something that I just pick out the thin of the air and just make up 5 coins. I do my analysis, and last month was amazing with Bitcoin consolidating. It was a really good month. This month we'll have to see if Bitcoin does something similar. Altcoin can have a good move. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's talk about the first coin, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin last month, guys, so I made my video on the 5th. So Bitcoin had broken out, and Bitcoin had been in that range for most of February. And what happens when Bitcoin is range? Yes, you've guessed it right, altcoins do really well. So some of the coins I talked about last month, EOS hadn't broken out, it was here, and I talked about EOS breaking out. So if you have a look at what EOS did, EOS, it was here, guys, when I made that video. It had a huge move up, about 15%, so that was a really good trade. Tron, I think, had an even bigger move. Whereas Tron, I included Tron as well. So Tron had an even bigger move. Tron was about here, guys, and Tron had an even bigger move, guys. It went up about 22%. I think ICX stopped out and then rallied, so you probably would have taken a loss on ICX if you just followed me blindly, because I made that video here. Then it rallied quite a bit. But make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. If we have 1 or 2 of these coins going up 20-30%, you should definitely be making money overall and improving your cash on Bitcoin. Whether you're trading against Bitcoin, you improve how many Bitcoins you've got, increase your Bitcoin holdings, or if you're trading with USD, you should be making some money. So if Bitcoin does what it did last month, where it consolidated, I think altcoins can have a huge rally. So last month Bitcoin consolidated, altcoins rallied. Bitcoin is finding some sort of support. I think Bitcoin will let's get the drawing tool out. Bitcoin will sort of consolidate and then maybe break down. This is what I'm sort of looking for. If Bitcoin does that, guys, some of the altcoins I'm picking out will be doing quite well. So let's have a look at some of the altcoins we'll be looking at. The first coin I'll be looking at today is XTZ. Tezos has been one of the most powerful coins this year. It's rallied a lot. It's almost hitting all-time new highs, and I think it would try again to hit that target. And again, this is more of a trading coin, so I'm not saying it will hit new all-time highs, but if you're looking to trade with a coin, I think this can have a rally for at least about 20% if it does get hit that zone again. It is finding support in this red zone, so if it can rally, daily 200 daily 20 moving average, my trading strategy that I follow. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the links below. You can find out the whole strategy, and I've got a full group, guys, where I'll be going live 3 to 4 times. I've just launched it. The first live stream is tomorrow, so if you're interested, check out the monthly group. You also get a strategy video series as well, so I'll leave the links below if you're interested. I'll be looking at exactly when Tezos is breaking out, but Tezos is looking good. It's at daily support, and I think Tezos could make a move up to that zone. I'll have a look at Tezos USD as well. Tezos USD is consolidating here. It's had a huge move up. It's trying to find some support. So if Tezos can get above the red daily 20 moving average, and Tezos BTC has a move up, I do think we'll rally into that zone again. I'm not making predictions of all-time new highs, because that was my target when it broke out of here. If you remember, I made a Tezos video a couple of weeks ago, and my target was around this zone. It's hit that target perfectly. If Tezos now breaks out of this target, then Tezos can have another huge rally. I'm not making that prediction, I'm trading it. If it does give me that opportunity, I will be taking some trades. So let's have a look if Tezos can give us that. The next coin is another popular coin, Link. I have to include Link, guys, because Link has been crazy. I didn't think Link would have that move up so quickly. It came to the daily 20 moving average. Again, I'm using the same strategy, guys. I'm not making stuff up. If I do live stream free on YouTube once a week or every other week, and you can see I use the same strategy and it works over and over again. I've been making videos for 2-3 years, and you need to follow a strategy. If you just blindly buy and sell, you're never gonna make money. You lose money and get driven out emotionally, and you're not going to make money. If you stick to a strategy, then you can make money, a successful strategy, a profitable strategy. So Link is finding resistance again here, so I'm not going to buy here, guys. This is why I said when Link was here, I'm not going to buy here. But if Link pulls back, guys, I will be looking to buy around the 236 Fibonacci, where this green zone is. Maybe here, guys, I will look to take a trade, see if we can break out above. These two coins haven't broken out, but if they break out, they will make a lot of money. But there's going to be trading opportunities in Link and XTZ, so look at it from a trading point of view first, and if we break out, then you can hodl and say that Link is gonna change the world, is gonna go to some crazy numbers. And Chainlink is a coin I do like fundamentally as well. I'll make a video maybe about Chainlink. So this is the trading strategy I shared last time. It bounced exactly from the 50% Fibonacci level, and this would have been a really profitable trade, about 30%. So as long as Link stays above sort of the $3.80 level, I think Link will push up to that $5. That's why I've included this, and I do think Link will push up and try and hit $5 again if it can stay above 380. And if you look at what Link did here, so it tested that highs again. I think Link USD might be doing that as well. So those are my top two coins. The next one is another big one, guys, and Matic is looking quite interesting. I wasn't sure whether to include Matic or not, but I've noticed this trend line that's been forming since back in 2019, and if this trend line holds and it breaks above the red line, there's not much resistance, guys. I think it can have a huge rally if it breaks out. So this would be another coin we'll be looking at in the group every couple of days to see if Matic breaks out. If Matic breaks out, we will be taking a trade, and I'll be sharing with you exactly when I'm taking that trade. If you guys remember when I did the Patreon, I was sharing signals and you had a full crypto trading course. This is my new website, and I'll be doing the same. And if Matic breaks out, guys, it could be a really good trading opportunity. Even if it doesn't, you could take a pullback around the red moving average. I would say I'd look to take it, get in a position around 218 to 220 level. This would be the level I get at. I think it will try and hit that red zone. I'm not sure if it will break out. If it breaks out, guys, Matic can have a rally, and I don't have to remind you that Matic is a coin that loves to go crazy. People FOMO into Matic. We've seen huge moves up, 130%, 330%. We have seen crazy moves up in Matic. So guys, if Matic breaks out, there's nothing stopping it. It could easily get another 80-60% move up. So those are the main coins. Now I'm going to be looking at some coins that are not so popular. They might have a big move up. I'm not saying they will, but they might do. So one of them is CHRM Bitcoin. This is a coin that loves to pump. It's more of a FOMO coin, but I think again this coin can have a huge rally. We've seen very spiky. Again, this is not for a coin that I will be trading massively with huge size positions, but I know there's people in this group that love trading this scammy spiky coins, and yeah, you could look to take a position from 200 to 150, see if we get another spike. So that is another coin. I'm not including it, but it's another spiky coin if you're interested. I wanted to give it a wildcard entry, one of the wildcard entry coins. So I'll be looking at a few coins now, and then I'll be picking my top 5. So last month I was really confident we were going to do well because Bitcoin was looking like it will consolidate. This month, as Bitcoin has broken down, guys, you have to be a bit careful. So last month most people could have made money. This month you need a trading strategy, because if Bitcoin breaks down, guys, as we've seen, it's not going to be as profitable. If Bitcoin breaks down, I wouldn't be taking this many trades. You know, altcoins that I'm going to be sharing now, it's very important to have your stop losses in place. Again, I'm not saying all coins are going to go well, but if if we do have a breakdown in Bitcoin, guys, it might not be the best trading situation. So you have to be very careful, guys. So ENZ is looking like it's trying to break that resistance. It's attempted it a few times. There's some support line here, guys. So I would be looking to maybe wait for a pullback in EN's engine coin to see if it comes back to this zone around the 1,000 Satoshi level. See if it has a move up, or if it breaks out above, I'll be looking at ENJ. So that's one of the coins I am looking at. Another coin I'm looking at is Power. This is fundamentally it's a good coin. I've been to a couple of their conferences. It is a really interesting coin, and I will include Power in my top 5 coins this month, and I'll probably be looking to buy Power around this zone, the daily 220 moving average, maybe the 4 hourly. I'd like the 4 hourly to catch up. So maybe I'd look to buy in this, and I'll review it again. I'm not making these predictions. Like I said last time I reviewed it, I'll review it again, see if it works for you. So I'm going to include Power as well. So obviously we talked about Tezos, Link, Matic, and I'm going to include Power in that list as well. The reason from a higher time frame is it is closing above 236. If it can't close above 236, guys, I'm gonna get out of this coin, because as you guys know, 236 is one of my favorite technical analysis tools that I use, and it works over and over again. Another coin that I'm interested in is Augur Rep BTC. This is at a huge move up, and it's at the 236 level now. Again, you can see this is not something I'm making up. Where is it finding resistance? At the 236 Fibonacci. So I'm not including it. This is in the top 5 coins, but I will be reviewing it. So my first live stream in the group is going to be on Tuesday 10 p.m. UK time, and I'll be doing it on different times. So if people have joined, guys, you'll be added to the group tomorrow, and first live stream on the Tuesday on the 3rd, and I'll be doing it on different sort of times. So UK time 10 p.m. then the next one I could do it in the morning. So whether you're in America or Asia or in Europe, there will be a stream that you can watch. They'll be recorded as well, so you can definitely re-watch them as many times as you want. Just a heads up, because few people are asking me questions about that. So that is my ENG and Augur. They are looking okay, but we need to get a close above the 236. Another sort of wildcard entry is Kaibar. This has had a huge move up, and it's at resistance now, and it's trying to close at that 236 level. Again, if you've missed it, I'll probably wait for a pullback around the 618 50% range. So around this range and the 20 moving average, they're lining up quite well. I will look to take a trade here for a push up to this zone. There are more trading opportunities rather than coins that you'll be hodling and they're gonna make you money. So I've shared with you a few wildcard entries as well, especially CHR. I mean, we'll review CHR on Tuesday, see if it works. Finally, the last coin I wanted to include was Algo. So Algo's been one of the coins that's been going up crazy lately, and people have been trading it massively. It's gone up about 100%. People on Twitter and Facebook and YouTube have been sort of shilling this coin, saying this coin is going to go up. At the moment, it is in that 50% 618 zone. When it broke out, I said, wait for a pullback. We never buy breakouts, guys, because people that buy breakouts, I sometimes buy breakouts, but I don't chase coin like most people do, because you lose money. You can see if you had bought that, guys, you would have lost money, but we bought a pullback here. We had a nice trade. If it had broken up, we would have made more money, but we at least made decent money. So it is in this zone. So last signal that I gave, I think this is the signal I shared on the live stream, the free live stream that I did, and it went up about 60%. I'm not saying it will go up again like that, but I think we can easily get a 20% in Algo, and if it breaks out, Algo can rally again. So I'm gonna include Algo as well. So the top 5 coins this month is Tezos, Link, Matic, Power, and Algo. So those are the ones I've included. Some of the wildcards I've talked about are ENJ, Augur, Kyber and CHR. I'll bring the list next to you so you guys can see the coins we've talked about, and we'll review them again next week. You see my strategies, guys, and try to implement it yourself, and I'm sure if you with practice you'll make money. So those are my top 5 coins, guys. Now my question to you guys is, what is your top 5 coins or top coin for this month? Comment below your top coin and let's have a discussion. So that is my question to you guys. And also, if you're, like I said, if you're interested in the group, I'll leave the links below. But my only request from you guys is, if you want to improve your trading and take your trading to the next level, join the group. But my only request is, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. I put a lot of effort into these videos, guys, so I'd really appreciate if you can smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. So thank you very much, guys. Comment below your top 5 coins. I'm going to bring onto the screen the coins that we've discussed. So BTC is the king, so you need to always look at what Bitcoin is doing. Then the 3 coins I discussed, the big coins, are Tezos, Link, and Matic. And a few of the other coins I discussed at the end, the wildcard entries, are here, and mainly Algo and Power are the other 2 top coins. So comment below your thoughts, guys, and let's have a discussion. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.